In this video, we will discuss what a bootstrap is, and I'll walk you through the steps for how to unzip and load a bootstrap into an IDE like Codio. So what is a bootstrap? A bootstrap is a popular HTML, CSS, and JS framework for developing responsive, mobile-first projects on the web. So what do we mean by developing a responsive website? A responsive website is an approach to web design that develops a site to provide optimal viewing for your users. So an optimal viewing experience. So responsive sites are easier to read, and navigation on the site requires minimum resizing, panning, and scrolling across a wide range of devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones. So let's get to the steps for downloading your Bootstrap and uploading it into your Codio project. So first you need to go to getbootstrap.com. Once you get to this site, we're going to click on the Download Bootstrap button, which is the current version of Bootstrap. Once you get to the download page, you will notice that there are several options and approaches for downloading and using Bootstrap. But we're going to select the first option that you see there, which says Download Bootstrap, and you can see the description for what this file consists of. So we're going to click on that button, and you'll see that downloads a zip file. So we need to extract that file. So we're going to select, I'm going to open the file, if you see there, and I'm going to extract that file. And you can use an unzip utility or application like WinZip or any unzip application. So if you click on Bootstrap and you say extract file, or like I said, use another utility, but I'm going to save my file to the desktop just for demonstration purposes, but save it on your computer, and I'm going to click OK, and it's going to extract that file and save it on my desktop. And you see that it created a folder called bootstrap-3.3.2-dist. So let's click on that folder just to examine what was downloaded. So you see that it created 3 subfolders, CSS, and you see it has several CSS files located in there that Bootstrap uses. And in a fonts folder, you'll see several fonts that Bootstrap uses, and the GS file contains several JavaScript files. So from there, we can close these windows, and the next step is to go to our Codio project. Now you should have already created several files from the previous steps in assignment 2, where you had to create your user stories.txt and your project.txt file. Now the index.html file, I created that, and I'll use that file in another video demonstrating how Bootstrap works and how useful it is to quickly create and develop responsive front-end sites onto your websites. Okay, so here for this video, though, we're going to now upload our files, our Bootstrap files, into our project. And so how do we do that? We're going to select the root directory, which is stories, and we're going to right click on our root directory, and we're going to select upload option, and then a screen comes up, and we're going to select the second option, which says browse for files from folder. And once we select that, you need to locate the folder that was created once you unzipped your Bootstrap. So those 3 subfolders, we're going to grab each of those folders one at a time and upload it into our project. So I'm going to select CSS and then select the OK button, and it is now uploading and creating a new subdirectory called CSS, with those files. And you can, if you scroll down, you can do the same steps to upload the fonts folder. So find that Bootstraps folder and then the subfolder fonts, select it and click OK. And now we've uploaded our subfolder called fonts into our project. I'm going to scroll down again and grab browse for files from folder one last time, and you're going to select the JS subfolder and click OK. So, and now we can close that window, and what do we have? We now have our Bootstrap loaded into our project, and now we can, the next step would be to customize that Bootstrap, and I'll walk you through some examples of that in the next video. I hope this was helpful.